Hello everybody. In this video we're going to see how to organize our Blackboard class either into weeks or into lessons. So when you log into your Blackboard, now this is how your home page is going to look like. And then when you would like to modify it, you could go and change it here. Now these are normally the required tabs that are here. And if you would like to put in your content, you can either use the content section or you could create your own class using um, Blackboard here. So let's say if you want to organize it each week or by lesson or by topic, you could do that. So if you would like to organize it by week, let's say you click on here and create a new content area. Click on content area, and let's say I'm going to create a new week, say week 6, March 16th to 23rd, and then make it available to the user. Make sure you click this, make it available to the user, and then click submit. So it automatically creates a table here. And then if you want, you can even separate it, meaning you could add a divider. Divider is a small line that comes up here, and then you could put it up here. So all the weeks come below here. So I could create another week content area, say week 7, March 23rd to 29th, and make it available to the user and click submit. So it creates each week. And in each week, if you click on this, you will be able to put your content here. Let's say I would like to put up the tasks for this week. I click on build content and I click item, and then I say coursework for week 6. And then I type in what are the readings, say chapter 6 from the marketing book, textbook, marketing text book. And then you could say, you could put this as 1, and then you could add 2 and say, uh, online discussion due by March 23rd. Please refer the discussion tab for the forum. Third one is you could say any announcements that you want, like we will not be meeting in class or online office hours. Say online office hours are on, let's say your class meets every Tuesday, so you could say the 17th Tuesday. Let's say my class is between 10 a.m. and 11:15. I could have that as my office hours to 11:15 a.m. Um, and you have to write meeting will take place online. Okay, and you could, whatever tool you're using, if you're using Collaborate or if you're using free conference calling or if you're using Skype, whatever tool that you're using, you could mention that here, and then you could create a meeting. Okay, so any announcements that you want or the coursework for that week. So you could just say coursework for week 6, and you could post all the announcements here. So as soon as you click submit, so it's available on this week. So whenever they click this week, they'll be able to see here. Let's say you would like to post a PowerPoint, or you'd like to post a video, or you'd like to post a link to an online lesson or an image or an audio file of your lesson, or let's say you want to post a PowerPoint presentation here. So all you have to do is just click on build content, click file. Now say lesson 1 PowerPoint, or you could say to download. And then you have to attach your file. Here I have a file here, so I'm going to attach this lesson 1 PowerPoint, which is just here. This is the first PowerPoint. Click open, and then I am going to submit this. So normally you could go and set up the downloads for the students. So you could say open it on um, a new window, or you could leave it as it is. Or if you want to display it from a certain day to certain day, you can also click. If you want to know how many students have downloaded this file, just click on this track number of views, and you'll be able to see how many students have actually downloaded the file. And then when you click submit, the file gets posted. Please wait for it, and then here the lesson gets posted here. So the students will be able to click and download their PowerPoint. If you want to create an online forum here in this week, let's say you want the online discussion forum to be displayed here, you could go click on tools and click on a discussion board, and then you could create a new discussion board here, and then you could say graded discussion, or you could say week 6 graded discussion. And then you could type your question here. Let's say discuss the 4 P's in marketing mix. Give examples of your purchase behavior. A question like that, and then you could give the guidelines. Usually the guidelines is what is the deadline. Discussion guidelines is you could enter the deadline and say March 23rd, and then you could give all the instructions that you want, and then you click post. What happens is that you have to select this and then click another next and then submit it. Okay, so when you click submit, automatically this discussion is posted in this week. So if you are trying to organize your class based on weeks, so you can have all the files, the announcements, the discussions, the tests. If you want to do a test, you have to go to assessments, click a test and form your test, and it gets posted here. So each week the students get all the information and all the coursework they need to complete and read for that week in this week tab itself. So you could also organize it by week, or some faculty like to organize it based on lesson or topic, like in accounting or in marketing or in statistics. If you want to do final accounts or final statement or balance sheet, you want to do it based on topic, you could also do it based on topic. It's up to you based on what courses we are teaching. So I hope this arrangement helps you. You could create as many tabs as you want and create the coursework for each lesson. You could also create a link. Let's say I would like to share a link to the file. Um, just one more, in case if you would like to post a video or a link from a YouTube. Let's say I want the lesson on week 6. Let's say my lesson is about marketing mix, and I like this video on YouTube and I would like to go and post it. All I have to do is click on this link here, and then you have to right click and copy, and all you have to do is go back to the link and then say build content, create a link, a web link. I could say the name is for marketing mix video. So I could just say marketing mix video for the students to see. And here I post that link. I right click and I paste that link here. And then I could go back, and if I want a description, I could give a description for this. This video will be helpful for you to understand the marketing mix. This video helps you to understand the marketing, the 4 P's marketing mix. So you could just post it, and then let's say if you would like to track the number of views, how many students have seen this video, you can click on this. Or if you wanted to display after a certain date, you could click on that and then click submit. What happens is that the link gets posted here. So as soon as the student clicks it, it automatically opens the video in a new window. So thereby you can also post. So you could post your coursework, your announcements, your files. That if it can be a PowerPoint, it can be a Word document, and you could create a discussion, you can create a test, or you could create a survey or an assignment or a discussion board. anything that you want on each week or regarding that topic. So you could create it either week wise or topic wise or lesson wise, which will be useful for the students. Thank you so much.